Here's the news of the day. EHang completed the first flight of its EH216S pilotless eVTOL in Brazil, advancing urban air mobility with planned trials to support safe UAM deployment across the country. Life Flight New Zealand has partnered with AMSL Aero to integrate the hydrogen-electric Vertiia VTOL aircraft into aeromedical operations, aiming for efficient, zero-emission patient transport across Australasia. Alaska Air National Guard's 176th Wing completed 2 rescue missions in a single sortie, safely recovering 2 uninjured pilots from separate plane crashes in south-central Alaska. Ecocopter Plus Helisul became the first company in Brazil authorized by ANAC to use an Airbus H125 flight simulator, enhancing pilot training with advanced safety and technology standards. Whisper Aero appointed Brian Klinker as a board and strategic advisor to support certification of its electric propulsion systems, leveraging his 35 years of experience in aviation and aerospace. The FAA released a draft of its updated vertiport design guidelines, advancing infrastructure for advanced air mobility, while regions like Saudi Arabia and the UAE push forward with eVTOL plans for 2026. Piasecki Aircraft successfully conducted the first flight of its Ares tilt duct VTOL, demonstrating its potential for autonomous casualty evacuation and cargo resupply for military missions. Elfly Group signed an agreement with Nordic Seaplanes to provide up to 15 all-electric seaplanes by 2030, marking a significant step towards sustainable coastal air mobility. Ether Fuels signed an MOU with JetBlue to supply sustainable aviation fuel, using breakthrough technology that converts diverse waste feedstocks into low-cost, scalable SAF. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.